Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss let us try 1.3. This is quite an easy topic and you people will be able to do it very easily. Okay, so the first question is compare the number using the greater than, less than or equals to sign. One is done for you. So before starting, first of all, comparing number, first of all count the number of digits. Okay, sometimes you people don't count the number of digits, you just see the first number. Don't do it like that. You have to count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now you start comparing from first. 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 8 8. So 5 digits number is there and this number is same, so that's why we are putting is equals to sign. Okay, now we have 76809. Now this is 34,566 8 34,568. Now this one is 76,809 and this one is 2,32,556. So as you can see here 5 digits, here 6 digits. So number of digit is more in this number, so that's why we will put sign greater than here. This one is the bigger number, larger number. Now here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. Number of digits are same. Now we will start comparing. 7 7 6 5. Now it is having 5 and this one is having 6, so that's why this one is bigger than this. Okay, now here also 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 numbers are there, 6 digits are there in both numbers. Now we start comparing like this. 2 2 5 5 7 7 8 3. Now this one is having 8 and this one is having 3, so this one is bigger number. Okay, now next question is which of this number come between 1496 to 1946. As you can see here 1469 is smaller than 1496, so it will not come in between. Then we have 1694 which is bigger than 496, 1496 but smaller than 1946, so that's why we will put tick here. Next number is 1964 which is bigger than 1946, and this one 1466 is smaller than 1496, so that's why it will not come in between. Now the next question is that we have to arrange the numbers in each set in a descending order. Okay, those two sets are given to you, 1 2, and you have to compare, you have to set this set in descending order. Okay, so descending order means you have to find out the biggest number first, then you have to find out the smaller number than that. So as you can see here 31 30, firstly count the number of digits. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So digit number is same. So now we will start comparing. 31 30 36 37 31. Okay, so earlier the first numbers that I have checked is 37 is the biggest number, so we will put 1 here. Now we have 36. We will check whether we are having 36. No, we don't have 36, so this is 2. Then we have 31 here also and 31 here also, but it is having third digit 0, whereas it is having the third digit 6, so 6 this one is bigger. So 1 2 3 and then it will be fourth and last one is fifth. Okay, now again we have to find out the biggest number first. 890 908 906 905 806. So 908 is the biggest number. 908,658 is the biggest number. Then we have 906, right? I am just reading this first 3 digits. Okay, so now 906 is the second larger number. Then we have 905, 1688. Then we have 806 and 890. So 890 is bigger than 806. That's why 890,568 is the fourth number, and 806,588 is the fifth number according to descending order. Now the fourth question is the population of Palanpur is 56,456, while the Panchnagar is having 1,56,456. Which place has lesser population? Which one is having lesser amount? So obviously it is having lakh, it is having 1,000, 56,456. So that's why Palanpur is having lesser population. This question is quite easy. fill in the blanks with the correct digit. Now we have to fill this blank with correct digit. Only one digit we can put. So this one is 241,569. So I have put 9 here, 4-569. So we have to make this small. Okay, so you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. This will be remain small, as we can put only one digit. So this will always remain small. Okay, so you can put from 0 to 9, any digit, it will remain small. So the answer you can try, if you want to try some other digit. Okay, now the next number is here, B part, 67,092. So we have to make this number bigger one. So we can put any number except 0, any number. 1 to from 1 to 9 you can put any digit, it will be bigger number than this. Okay, then we have this number 15,306 is greater than 15,000-77. So you can put any number 1 or 2 or 0. Okay, 0 to 2 you can put 0, 1, 2, and this will remain small than this. We have to make this small. Okay, now we have arranged the digits to form the largest and the smallest numbers. Do not repeat any digit, one is done for you. So you cannot repeat the digit, you have to make 5 digits, largest and the smallest number. Okay, sorry, there is no numbers given. The digits you have to use, and you cannot repeat the digits. So largest, you have to firstly find out the largest digit. 7 is the largest digit, then 6, then 4, then 3, then 2. So 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Now we have to form the smallest number. So you will write from the back 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, like this you can write. This will only work when there will be no 0. When there will be a 0, then you have to follow one more rule. So here firstly you have to find out the biggest number, 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 2 and 0. Okay, so I have put comma according to Indian numeral system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now you have to make the smallest digit number, but arrange the digit in the form, but you cannot put 0 in front of it. Okay, so what you will do is you have to put this 0 in between. You have to put this 0 in between. Okay, you cannot put 0 here, because if you will put 0 here, then this will be smaller digit number, because if it will be 0 in the first place, so it will not have any value. It will not have any value. So that's why we are putting 0 in second place, not in the first place. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, that you cannot put 0 in the this, you cannot put 0 in the first place. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now we have this number, so that's why we are putting 2, 0, 6, then we are going opposite, 2, 0. Okay, then you will go 6, 7, 8, 9, like this you have to write. Here also we are having 0, so firstly you have this one, we have to write the largest number, 9, 8, 3, 2, 0. There will be no problem. But when you will write the smallest number, you have to keep this in your mind, that you have to keep the 0 in between, not on the first number. If you will write 0, 2, 3, 8, 9, yes, it's the smallest number, but the thing is that it will be a 4 digit smallest number. We are making 5 digit smallest number here. Okay, so 20,389 is the correct answer. If you will write 0, 2, 8, 3, 8, 9, so it will be 2,389. 0 will not have any value. Okay, then we are having this next number, 9, 8, 2 times given, then 7 and 1, and then 0. So 988,710, 9,88,710. Again we are having 0, so we will not write in first place. We will write for firstly 1, the bigger number than 0. Okay, you have to write that first. So 107,889 will be the smallest number. Okay, now we have used the digit to make the largest and the smallest 5 digit number. You may repeat a digit, but use all the given digit at least one. Okay, so here we have to make 5 digit number. Only sometime we have been given 3 digits, sometime we have been given 4 digits, so we have to repeat the number. But the thing is that each and every digit you have to use at least one. Okay, so largest number, for making largest number, always repeat the biggest number. So 9 is the biggest number, so you can repeat the largest number here, 9970. Okay, 9997. 70. So it will be 5 digit number 99970. So you will be, if to make largest number, you have to repeat the largest digit here 99970. Again, to make the smallest number, we have to make 5 digit small number. You will not write 0 first. What you will do, you will write 7, then you can repeat the smallest number. You, if you want to make the smallest digit, so you have to make the smallest number. Okay, so there will be 3 times you will write this 0, 3 times you will write this 0, and then you will write 9. Okay, then this will be the smallest number. Okay, now we have next digit is 6923. 6923. So what you can do is, you will write this like this. Biggest number is 9, so you will repeat, as there are 4 digits, so we need one more, so you one more time you will repeat 9. So 99632 will be the largest number, and to make the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest number. Okay, so smallest number is 2, and again that 4 digits are there, so we have to get 5 digits, so one more time 2 you will repeat. So 22369 will be the smallest number. Now we have 1279, again 4 digit number, so we need one more digit, so means one time one digit we have to repeat. So 9 is the biggest number for largest number, so 99721 we will write, and for making smallest number 11279 will be the smallest number. Okay, here we have already given 5 digit number, so no need to repeat the number. Okay, so you can start from here 98321, like this you can get. And for making the smallest number 12389, like this you can write smallest number. Here also you have been given 5 digits, so no need to repeat, already 2 zeros are given, so 981 and 2 zeros you can write. You will not write these 2 zeros first. Firstly you will write 1 and then 2 zeros, then 8 and then 9 will be the, for making the smallest number. Please take care of this thing, that you cannot write 0 in front. If you will write 0 digit in front, it will not have any value, and the place value of that number will also decrease. Okay students, so by this we have completed exercise 1.3. Bye bye.